Hi everyone, my name is Reigne and this is my husband, Chano. Welcome to our channel. This is the first episode of our Sardinia travel series. Recently, we spent 2 weeks exploring this Mediterranean island known for its crystal clear waters, wonderful beaches, rocky mountains, and unspoiled nature. But beyond these famous characteristics, Sardinia, with its unique culture and interesting history, has also some of the most welcoming, kindest, and warmest people we have ever come across in our trips. Subscribe to our channel to join us in our adventures. We will show you some of the most beautiful places in Sardinia while we experience the secrets to long life from one of the 5 blue zones in the world. After arriving to Cagliari Airport from Dublin, we quickly took our rental car because we were super excited to start exploring the island. We have arrived in Sardinia. This is our car for the next 14 days. We are now on our way to our first destination,
Villasimius.
Villasimius.
It's 1 hour away from Cagliari Airport.
And we will stay there for the next 2 days. I'm eating my lunch. Chano again prepared our lunch for today, so we don't have to waste time ordering and eating at the airport. The drive to Villasimius was already impressive, and we had the chance to witness for the very first time the famous turquoise waters of Sardinia. The first thing that we did when we arrived at Villasimius was to check in at our accommodation. We loved our experience here due to the serene environment, great facilities, and very friendly staff. Although the pool in our accommodation was very tempting, we didn't waste more time and we immediately headed to Cala Pira beach for sunset. We've reached Cala Pira. This is our first destination for the day, and we're just gonna take it slow because we've already arrived late in the afternoon. But tomorrow will be another day to explore more places.
It's gonna shoot very nice sunset videos and pictures. Let's go.
Let's go. This doesn't look like a very special place, but this is the entrance. Though Cala Pira is part of the territory of Castiadas, we decided to include it in our Villasimius travel video as it was just 20 minutes away from our B&B. This is the first beach that we're gonna visit in Sardinia. It's so beautiful because the sand is soft and white. This 500 meters long sandy cove with its pristine waters is very famous between the local people of Southeast Sardinia. The Aragonese watchtower from the 17th century adds a really characteristic touch to the coastal landscape of Cala Pira. We loved how the golden light of the sunset hit the beach, a perfect beginning of our unforgettable trip. we chose one of the best pizzerias in Villasimius for our dinner. The pizza and the salad that we ordered were delicious. And the owner's dog was so cute. The weather forecast for sunrise wasn't great, but Chano couldn't miss the opportunity to film the first videos over Porto Giunco beach. He hiked to the Aragonese Tower to capture the surroundings of this stunning beach from there. With this view, it is easy to understand why Porto Giunco is considered one of the most beautiful beaches in Italy. Buongiorno! We are going back to the same beach where we spent the sunset yesterday because we want to see the beach with a different light. My husband is obsessed with light because he is a photographer.
No, I guess
Let's go! Woo! My husband went to buy our lunch for today because we're gonna go to the beach.
salad.
Bread?
It's bread with sausage
Chorizo?
and cheese.
Oh. There are so many wildflowers on the roadside and they are so beautiful.
If you're coming to Sardinia, be careful when you rent the car because you get the cheapest one, probably is a small car, like a Panda. You see some of the roads are
Oats?
a little bit tricky, so I would advise to get a little...
4x4.
No, this is not a 4x4, this is a higher car. Just be careful and be very slow.
We have already eaten our lunch. We also swam a little bit in the B&B's swimming pool because we want to try whatever amenity they have. And now we're going to Porto Giunco beach to spend the rest of the day. The temperature is perfect because it's sunny, but it's not that painful on our skin. We'll see you there. Chano came here this morning to take his sunrise photos and videos. That's why he knows already the path. We forgot to tell you that so far all of the parking lots are free, but during high season you have to pay a few euros. Let's go. We walked beyond the main beach to reach the tiny Cala Porto Giunco. This is a marine protected area, so the sea was even clearer here. We couldn't believe of how amazing were the watercolors. They reminded us of Marina Piccola in Capri. We ended our day at Punta Molentis, one of the most beautiful beaches in Sardinia. Visiting this natural jewel at sunset was the perfect choice for us. The warm sunlight reflecting on the granite rocks, the Mediterranean flora, the white sand, and the turquoise waters was a magnificent spectacle to contemplate.
We have finished today and we are very tired, but it was all worth it. We've managed to visit 3 of the most beautiful beaches in Sardinia. Don't miss it because we're going to include this in our top 10 beaches in Sardinia.
We went back to Villasimius city center for another tasty dinner. We chose local dishes again and we absolutely loved them. That ends our first episode of our Sardinia travel series. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel to support us and to follow our adventures. Don't miss our next episodes because we will show you more breathtaking and wonderful places in Sardinia while meeting the friendliest people we've come across in our trips. Thank you so much for joining us, and please don't forget to like this video. Until next time, keep exploring, rain or shine.